How to fix Telegram search not working problem. So if you want to fix your Telegram search not working problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find the apps option. Tap on apps and then go with manage apps. Once you're on your manage apps, you need to scroll down and then search for Telegram, or just simply go with search, and here you need to type in Telegram, and then once you find the Telegram application, just tap on it, and from here you need to just scroll down and then you will find clear data option, which will be in the bottom right. Go and clear the cache, tap on OK, go with the app permissions, and here you need to make sure that you're allowed all of the permissions. Once you've done with the permissions and once you've cleared the cache and check your storage, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Telegram. And after searching, if you have any updates on your Telegram, just simply go and update. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go and restart your device or just uninstall the application and then again reinstall and log in, and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Telegram search not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.